दुआबा रेडियो, दुआबा रेडियो, दुआबा रेडियो, दुआबा रेडियो,
दुआबा रेडियो।
Greetings students, I am Ms. Gurpreet from Shri Harkishan Sai Public High School, New Janata Nagar, Gill Market. Today I am going to do the topic of notice writing with you. Now, the notice writing is a very important part of the English composition, grammar, and notice can be written in regards to any kind of meeting, any kind of event, anything which is lost, or if you have found something, and in the case of organizing of any kind of tour, fairs, exhibition, camps, etc. So, how do we write a notice? So, firstly, we are going to discuss the format of the notice, and then we are going to do one or two examples of notice writing. Alright? Yes. Now, we are going to make a box for a notice, a rectangular box, and in this case, the very first line in the middle, you should write the name of the organization or the institution which is actually issuing the notice. Suppose you are writing a notice in case of a school, you will write the name of a school, or in case you are writing a notice in case of some institution or organization like some kind of NGO, then you are going to write the name of that NGO. Alright. So the important thing to notice here is that it should be written in the very middle. Equal amount of the space should be left on the left side and the right side of the page, and the name of the institution or the organization should be in block letters. Okay. Now, in the next line, we are going to write in the very middle, notice. We are going to write the word notice, N-O-T-I-C-E, in the block letters. Now, in the next line, we are going to write the date on which you are writing the notice. Now, this date should be written on the very left side of the third line. Okay. For example, it is 14th of April 2020. So, you are going to write 14th in the small letters, April with A capital, and 2020. Now, in the next line, again in the middle, you are going to give a very good catchy heading or a subject. Okay? So, in case you are writing about any fair, any exhibition, any trip, any camp, any meeting, any kind of event, so, or any lost or found thing, you are going to write here a very catchy heading. Catchy का मतलब चिन्ह देख के फटाफट असी पढ़न दा दिल होवे कि नोटिस की हुंदा. Alright. So, in case कोई meeting है, then you will write directors meeting, shareholders meeting, या parent teacher meeting. ठीक है? कोई event है, उस accordingly event का नाम लिखेंगे. Like suppose कोई plantation drive है, right? कोई है कि emergency meeting है, then और अगर कोई quiz है, अगर कोई dance competition है या कोई art competition है, all right? So you will write according to that, but the heading should be catchy. One easily gets. It should be the one that easily catches your attention. Now suppose it is a quiz, so you can write Quizomania. Okay? suppose it is a dance competition, so let's dance, ठीक है. और अगर in case there is a art competition, you can write art attack. अगर in case it is some kind of music competition, you can write saregamapa, right? So this is how you write. And in case it is a any other kind of event like some road drive, so you can write that heading. All right. So in the next line, we are going to write the body of the notice, and this body of the notice, it should be of 50 words, not more than that, because notices are usually put up on a notice board and they should be small enough so that they can be read very easily, and so they should be having a prescribed limit of 50 words, right? And then in this case especially, you should mention what is the date of whether it is a meeting, whether it is an event, whether it is a tour, fair, exhibition, camp or anything. The first important thing, or if in case you have lost or found also, then the first important thing is that you should mention the date, you should mention the time, you should mention the venue, and you should mention the purpose. And in case of lost and found, you should mention the article which is lost or found. Yes. Now, again, you can further tell that who is going to attend this meeting, yeah, who all are invited to the event, and then in the end, you can definitely describe the contact person or the authority who has been designated to get into contact regarding that event. All right. So, let's take an example firstly of writing a notice. The last thing is that after writing the body of the notice, we are going to write the name of the person. We are going to write the name of the person who is actually issuing that notice, and then you are going to write the designation of that person. Okay. Yes. Now let's start with an example so that it is more clear to you. Write a notice announcing the launching of a tree plantation drive in your school. So it is an event which is happening in a school. Invent all the necessary details. Details matlab when it is going to happen, where it is going to happen, who is going to attend, and with whom you are going to contact and all. So that details you are going to invent yourself. Matlab you have to write them all yourself. You are Vasudha, Secretary of the Environment Club of the Greenfield Public School, Gandhinagar, and put the notice in a box. So now we are here given that the name of the school is given, already given, and also the name of the person who is going to issue the notice is also given. So rest of the details have to be invented by you, or they are to be written by you. Okay जी, चलो फिर से start कर दें. हाँ, पहली लाइन विच जिवें कि असीं डिस्कस किया, the first thing we are supposed to write is the name of the school. So here the name of the school which is given is Greenfield Public School, Gandhinagar. So after Greenfield Public School, please put a comma and then write Gandhinagar in the same line and in the block letters in the very middle of the page. And yes, remember to put this notice in a box. Okay. So after you are done, you put this notice in a box, or better that you make a box first and then start writing. That is also good enough. Alright. So after Greenfield Public School, Gandhinagar, next line, ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ notice. N-O-T-I-C-E. Yes, block letters. You guessed it right. Block letters. Now in the third line, we will write the date on the very left side. The very left side of the line, you will write the date. After that, you will write the heading. While writing a heading here, because it is a tree plantation drive, you can write tree plantation drive, or you can write each one plant one. Okay? Or you can even write let's serve nature. So these are the kinds of examples of the headings which you can write. Now this tree plantation drive or let's serve nature, each one plant one, it has to be written in block letters and in the very middle of the line, right? So in the next line, we're going to write the body of the notice. Like in this case, because it is already given that the Environment Club of the Greenfield Public School is going to organize this. So you're definitely going to mention the Environment Club. Okay? So we can write the Environment Club of our school is organizing a tree plantation drive on One Mahotsav Day. One Mahotsav Day आता है ना, जो ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ पेड़ लगाने ਆ, ते उस दिन tree plantation drive ਜਿਹੜੀ है school वालों organize हो रही है, and there's a club by the name the Environment Club which is organizing all this. So the Environment Club of our school is organizing a tree plantation drive on One Mahotsav Day. One Mahotsav Day ਜਿਹੜੀ है, it is not given in the question, but this you have to invent yourself. That means so that थोड़ा interesting लगे साडा notice, ठीक है ना? लगे भी तुसी भी कुछ लिखिया ओदे विच, है ना? ते फिर you are supposed to introduce these things yourself. Now next line we can write. Next is in the same paragraph is to be same. Under this drive, 1,000 new trees will be planted in the school campus. So here you are able to understand that it will be planted in the school campus. So venue would be school campus only. Free seeds and saplings will be distributed. Seeds school वालों ही मिलेंगे. Saplings यानी छोटे-छोटे जड़े पेड़ होंगे हैं, वो भी school वालों ही मिलेंगे. Free seeds and saplings will be distributed. All the students are invited to take part in the drive, which will be inaugurated by the principal on whichever date you want to write. Suppose you can write 20th April 2020. At what time? That you have to also mention. So at 8:30 a.m. in the garden of the school. Right? So all the students are invited to take part in the drive, which will be inaugurated by the principal on 20th April 2020 at 8:30 a.m. in the garden of the school. So here again you are introducing that you are supposed to tell who all are invited or who all are supposed to attend. So here all the students are required to attend, and the event will be inaugurated by the principal. उद्घाटन करेंगे, and date and time जरूर mention करना है, and place also mention करनी है कि school campus या school garden कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. In the next line you are going to write the name of the person, Vasudha, who is organizing this, right, for whom you are supposed to contact. So you are going to write Vasudha, secretary of, next line which, secretary of the Environment Club. Okay. So this is the notice which we are going to do, and this is regarding an event, that is tree plantation drive. So there are many more notices which you can write, and in this case, like usually you can write about a notice regarding some kind of match which you are organizing in a school, alright, or you can even write about any kind of debate which is coming up. Okay, so you can write that in this case. Like you can write about a notice inviting the names of those who would like to give articles, stories and cartoons for the school magazine, right? So in this case what you can do is In the very first line, yes, we will write the name of our school, then notice, then date, then school magazine ਦਾ ਅਗਰ ਕੋਈ name ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ that it is you can write about any quote and you can say writer's corner. ठीक है, writer's corner you can mention, and then you can say that all the students of the school are requested to bring in their articles, stories or cartoons to be published in the school magazine, and this is to be submitted. And then you can mention the language in which they can be written. All the articles can be written in all the languages, like 3 languages which is being taught in the school. So you can write that the articles can be written in English, Punjabi or Hindi, and they can be related to any kind of subject, or and they can be related to children or adults, and they can even be related to psychology or humor or anything. And this thing which is to be written is, and the articles, then you are supposed to tell that by what time the articles are to be submitted. The articles should be submitted by so and so date, that is suppose 20th April. They should be submitted by 20th April to the teachers, to your class teachers. Okay? Now to your respective class teachers. For further details, you can say that for further details please contact the undersigned. Okay? For further details you can write contact the undersigned. ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ undersigned ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਨੀਚੇ ਸਾਈਨ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. Then you can write Miss Tajinder, the editor of the magazine. ठीक है? So you can write Miss Tajinder, नीचे brackets which लिखोगे editor of the magazine. Alright, so this is how you can write a notice. Some further notices regarding any kind of book which is found, any kind of book which is lost, or the bag which is found, the bag which is lost. So in this case what you need to do is, in case suppose it is a bag, then you will describe what kind of bag it is, what is the color of the bag, what is the pattern on it, and where you can find it, suppose. Okay? So you can tell the other person that I have found this in this bag of this in this color, and it is with the undersigned, and you can come and collect it after identifying the bag. Further, you can also even write that my bag is lost, my book is lost, and you can tell that I have lost my book, and the title of the book was this, it was in this language, and the last time you had that book wherever, suppose you can say that I took the book in the library and I lost it there, but I have not found it. If anybody else has found it, please give it to me and give it to the undersigned in this. तो आप अपना नाम लिख के जिवें रोहित लिख के नीचे लिख सकते हो 8. फिर तुसी अपना क्लास लिख के you can end the letter. You can end the notice. So this is how we write notice. I hope you have enjoyed the session, and until next time, thank you so much.
Doaba Radio, Doaba Radio, Doaba Radio, Doaba Radio,
Doaba Radio.